news just coming in. The 10th round of core commander level talks between India and China now take place tomorrow. With disengagement at the Pangong complete, the next meeting will discuss the future course of action and other friction points in Ladakh. These, of course, include disengagement at Gogra, Hot Springs, as well as Depsang. Those are the areas that are likely to be discussed in the 10th round of core commander level talks that will take place tomorrow. Now, this, of course, comes after the first phase of disengagement at the Pangong Lake area. The north and south of the Pangong Lake area has been complete. So another phase round of the 10th round, in fact, of core commander level talks that will take place between India and China tomorrow. What is likely to be discussed, of course, is disengagement at Gogra and Hot Springs. Let me cut across live to Shivani, who's reporting on this. Shivani, give us more details of what you're learning about what will be discussed in the next round of talks.
Nupur, this is a very important update that tomorrow the 10th round of talks between the commander level officers of India and China will take place at Moldo. And this is the most significant round of talk because this is happening right after the disengagement has completed at the Pangong Tso region, the north and the south of Pangong Tso, that started on 10th of February. And it is the 10th day today. If we count by the date, it started on 10th of February. It took around 10 days to get completed, and we've seen the visuals, the videos, and how the process was going on. And in the initial phase, around 225 tanks from the PLA were pulled back. We saw the pictures first on Republic, and we have been updating our viewers on each and every happening. And tomorrow would be the 10th round of talks between the commanders. And as we know that the 9th round, which was held on 24th of January, which was very important, and after that round only it was discussed how both the countries agreed on the disengagement from the north and the south of Pangong Tso. And now when tomorrow, once again, the commanders will be meeting and the representatives from the MEA will be meeting and will be discussing to go about further on the disengagement, because we know that along the LAC, 50,000 troops from India have been deployed, and same from the China. And India has negotiated well through dialogue, though we have felt the assertiveness from China at multiple points. But India, because it was strong and it was capturing substantially strong peaks, it could negotiate well. The military might is enhancing, the diplomatic relationship counts. So all this was quite helpful for India to negotiate well, and this is a victory not only for the Indian government but the Indian forces also, and all those who believe in the forces, Nupur, because we've seen a lot of politicization, a lot of questions being raised, being asked on the whole issue. We've seen the pictures, we've seen the videos.
Absolutely, as you're pointing out, Shivani, of course this is a huge victory, but getting back to what we are going to be discussing tomorrow, now we understand that, of course, Gogra, Hot Springs and Depsang, now that's another, very critical area, friction points, all three of them. Could you tell us more about these places? Okay, I'm going to come back to you, but we are going to cut across